Matter is made up of atoms. The fruits and cakes in this photo are made up of millions of atoms. These atoms can be close or far away from each other. This determines its density. Density measures how tightly packed are the atoms. Imagine we have two plates that have the same size, but one is made up of gold and one is made up of silver. Which one has higher density? Answer: gold plate has the higher density, since its atoms are more tightly packed than silver atoms. The formula of density is mass divided by volume, which means it is a measure of how much matter does it have for every unit of volume. If we do not know volume of an object, especially the irregular ones, we can divide mass over density to arrive at its volume. If we don't know the mass of an object, we can certainly multiply density and volume. 2,000 plus years ago, King Hiero tasked Archimedes, a known Greek philosopher and physicist at that time, to confirm whether his commissioned crown of wreath is made up of pure gold. He knew its mass, but since it is an irregular shaped object, he didn't know the volume. He was mulling over how to know the volume of the crown when he had a eureka moment inside the bathtub. He realized that the water he displaced actually corresponds to his volume. Armed with the idea, he then took the crown and placed it in a container with some water. This container is compared to another container that had the same amount of water but no crown. The difference between the water levels of the two containers is then the volume of the crown. This is the first demonstration of fluid displacement used to arrive at a volume of any object. In most cases, solids are denser than liquids. Majority of molecules are closer to each other when temperature is low, except for water. When water freezes and turns into ice, its molecules are farther apart than other liquids because of the way the hydrogen bonds. Thus, it will need a bigger area to house the molecules, and so ice is denser than water, and that's why ice floats in water.